The topic of our discussion is sentiment analysis in R. Let's start our discussion on sentiment analysis on COVID-19 social media responses. A step-by-step approach is given. The step one is load the required libraries NLP, TM text mining, R color brewer, Snowball C, string R, and SUSET. Input step 2, input text data file pandemic 35-2020. Step 3, clean the text data. Step 4, carry out sentiment analysis. Now let's load the libraries required for the analysis after passing the comments. Now let's load the libraries and input the text data for the analysis. The pandemic 35-2020 is input. Now let us assign the input data reviews as matrix to data object ABC. Display the head and tail of ABC. Text data. Let's now clean the text data using string R functions, string remove all, remove the symbols. Then let's use TM text mining function to remove the numbers, remove punctuation. Let's bring the total text into lowercase, since the R platform differentiates between lowercase alphabets and uppercase alphabets. Let's bring the total text to lowercase. Remove specific words which we do not want for the analysis. Let's remove the stop words and remove the white space using strip white space. The white space that has been generated in the text cleaning activity, let us remove them. Then finally, let's carry out stemming of the text data using word stem function. Let's display the head and tail of the clean text data review underscore text. Now let us do the sentiment analysis using SUSET package. There are 4 methods that are being used for obtaining the sentiment scores on the review underscore text, that is the text data. The methods are SUSET. Let's get the score for the SUSET method. Summary of the scores. Then the second sentiment score is obtained using the Bing method. Method Bing. Summary. Third method for getting that sentiment score is AFN. Let's display the summary. Then finally, the NRC method of scoring is used for getting the sentiments, the summary. Let's now display the 4 scores, sentiment scores as a data frame. DF, display the head of the first 20 values. The first 20 values of the sentiment scores are displayed, and as mentioned earlier, the scales are different for the different methods of sentiment scoring. Now let us do a little bit of analysis over the SUSET sentiment score. Similar analysis can be carried out for the other sentiment scores also. Now let us find out for the SUSET score, let's find out the location where the minimum sentiment has occurred. It has occurred in the location 1543. Let's see the review, the text associated with this is the text which talks about the pandemic situation associated with the minimum sentiment score, SUSET score. The maximum SUSET score, let's find out the location. The location is 1816 in the text data documents. Review the text. The text is shown over here for the positive sentiments. Now let us find out the text associated with the more extremely negative sentiments less than -5, and the result data object shows the negative sentiments. Negative sentiments, it talks about the negative aspects of these sentiments. And let us also see the text data sentiments related to the positive sentiment scores of the SUSET method. 4.5 and above score values are considered in this analysis, and it is displayed as result 1. So these are the positive 3 locations. Extremely positive sentiments have been exhibited. It talks about the first one talks about listening to music, commuting, and things like that. So possible ways of combating and fighting against the corona pandemic. Now let us normalize as the method, the 4 methods, they use the different measurement scales, and hence the score values might differ, and comparison amongst the score values may not be easy. So let's normalize the 4 score values using sine function. The sine function assigns +1 for positive values, -1 for negative values, and 0 for neutral values, equal to 0 values. Let's run this, pause these comments. Let's normalize, get the normalized sentiment scores using cbind function. Assign new dim names for the matrix that has been formed. Let's display the head, the first 6 rows of the normalized sentiment score. Now let's make it as, save it as a data frame in Z. Display the first 20 values of the data frame. The normalized score values are displayed, 20 values. Now let us find out the proportion of the sentiments that has been displayed for the 4 scores. Now the proportion has been found for the X1, that is the SUSET score alone. The normalized SUSET score, 35% shows a negative sentiment and 40% shows positive sentiment, and neutral sentiment is exhibited by 25%, 0.25. So this analysis, this proportions table has been done for SUSET score alone. Similar analysis can be executed for the other scores also. Now let us do the emotion classification, find out positive and negative sentiments. Emotion classification is built on the NRC word emotion association lexicon, also known as EMOLEX. The NRC emotion lexicon is a list of English words and their association with the 8 basic emotions, which are anger, fear, anticipation, trust, surprise, sadness, joy, and disgust. And the final result is displayed as a sentiment, negative sentiment and positive sentiments. Let's now make use of get NRC sentiment function of the SUSET package to find out the NRC emotion values and the sentiment values. Let's run these comments and get the sentiment score for emotions and the positive and negative sentiments. It takes a while for processing. Yes, the result has come. The head and tail of the sentiment scores have also been displayed. So this is the first 20 values of the sentiments, the 8 sentiments, emotions, and 2 sentiment scores. There are 2462 documents in the text data. Now let us display the mean of the sentiment scores for the emotions and the 2 sentiments. Let's display the average. So there appears to be a fairly considerable value for the anticipation. There is a considerable value for the fear. There is significant amount of sadness. There is a trust amongst the people themselves and possibly on the administration of the nation. And the 2 sentiment scores shown over here, negative sentiment 0.77 and positive sentiment 1.06. So that indicates that there is a relatively higher amount of positive sentiment that is being exhibited by the society in the social media responses. Now let us find out the column sums of the NRC sentiment score for the 8 emotions and the 2 sentiments, positive and negative sentiments. Let's find out the column sums. The senti sum is displayed over here, and now let us do the bar plot of the column sums for the 8 emotions and the 2 sentiments. Let's do the bar plot. As has been mentioned earlier, there is a good amount of anticipation, fear, there is a trust amongst the people, a considerable amount of sadness is also there, and negative sentiments and positive sentiments comparison, relatively higher amount of positive sentiments is exhibited by the people. Now let us display the same results as a pie chart. The pie chart is shown over here. That brings us to the end of our discussion on sentiment analysis. Thank you. The author, Dr. A. Rajagopal, can be reached at arg1962@gmail.com.